You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this word from music? For more music vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. We've got loads to learn here. Alright, so that's a word from French, and that creates confusion in the English language, meaning that there are going to be different pronunciations. For reference, in French, it is said as étude, étude. So you have this very specific U sound from French that doesn't exist in English, meaning that in English there are two different pronunciations that are used. The more British UK pronunciation is as étude, étude. So you have a ch sound, like TJ almost, étude. That's a correct pronunciation. And the other one is étude, étude. That's the more American pronunciation. So étude or étude, both are correct because they don't, they try to mimic French, but it's not exactly like French. So that's, you got it. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.